Good morning, guys. Nick here with Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery. And today we're at our Aussie Wash station. I'm going to show you guys how we clean out our squeegee cleaner. So what you're going to do is typically we'll keep the hose in there just to fill it up with Aussie juice. But what you're going to want to do is just empty all that Aussie juice out back into the container. And then we're going to take this over to our washout booth. I'm going to stick this behind the flap here. We just kind of lean it up at a little bit of an angle there. And I'm sticking it behind the flap because as you're cleaning it, it could shoot stuff back out at you because these wheels do spin. So what you're going to do is we're going to take some of the 701 and we are going to apply it generously. And you want to kind of move the wheels as you're doing it. Make sure you're getting all up in there. As well as you can spray the inside of it to get all that residual ink out of there. And you can see they're already beginning to turn blue, eating away at all that gunk that's been building up in there. And I would recommend doing this once a week, just so we can maintain cleanliness of it. Okay, so once you got your 701, I'm going to put my flaps back here. Then you're going to use the pressure washer. And I'll just kind of peek in there a little bit. As you can see, the brushes are beginning to turn blue again. So you just want to continue that process until it's fully clean, and then just go ahead and empty out any residual liquid that is in there, and replace it back into the smart washer. Thanks for watching, guys.